10 more nouns review. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this episode of Romanian Flip Chart Lessons, I will review 10 nouns from the top 25 most frequently used nouns in the English language and translate them into Romanian. Hai să începem! Let's start! Part, parte, parte. Child, copil, copil. Eye, ochi, ochi. Woman, femeie, femeie. Place, loc, loc. Work, lucru, lucru. Week, săptămână, săptămână. Case, caz, caz. Point, punct, punct. Company, companie, companie. And that's the end of Romanian Flip Chart lesson. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Ciao! This is Mihnea, signing out from Bangkok.